Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can zoom in CapCut. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First of all, open the CapCut app on your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Simply tap on the New Project button at the top and add any target media to the project. Then add media to the timeline section by clicking on Add Icon. In order to zoom in, I will select the keyframe feature to create a zoom out effect along with it. To do that, simply seek to the leftmost side of the video and add a scaling keyframe. Then seek to the middle. Zoom in using the scaling slider and a keyframe will be added after you set it up completely. Then for zooming out, seek all the way to the end and scale and position back to its original size. Now the zoom in effect is completed. And that's how you can zoom in CapCut. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.